Hi, in this video we're going to see how to use the scheduling feature in Gmail. This is a very handy tool, especially for those who are sending regular messages, announcements to a group of people. So this is how we're going to do it. So here I am in my Gmail inbox. I'm going to open a new email that I would like to send. So I click here first at the compose button. So here is my compose screen, and I would like to send the tech tip for Tuesdays at a certain time on Tuesday, but I would like to prepare the tip a day ahead. So this is what I'm going to do. So obviously I'm going to send it to a group of people, so let's say all faculty, and then I'm going to type Tuesday tech tip. And I'm going to put whatever tips that I would like to share with people. And then next, right down here where there's the send button, you'll see that there is a drop down. If you click on that arrow, and you can get a choice that says schedule send. If you click on that, it brings up like a calendar, and you can choose what time and what day you would like to send the message to the group of people. So you can either pick up the choices from here, like tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. or tomorrow afternoon at this 1 p.m. Or you can also customize the date. You just click on the pick date and time link, and it brings up a whole calendar for the month. So let's say I want to send this email for next week or next Tuesday on 31st, and I want to send it early in the morning, so that would be let's say 7:30 a.m. and then I will click schedule send, and what it does, it goes and gets stored in a folder on the left side. As you'll see, there's a label here that says scheduled, and if you click on that, you'll see all the mail I just created to be saved almost like a draft. And then at that particular time, next Tuesday at 7 a.m. or 7:30, whatever the time that I've chosen, it will be sent to the group of people. So this is how basically you create a scheduled email using the scheduling feature on your Gmail. And as I said at the beginning, it's a very handy tool for messages that are to be sent on a regular basis at a certain day or a certain time of the day. And especially if you're running online classes for your students, it might be a good idea to use this feature to send emails to them before you start a synchronous session. Basically informing them what you would like to do in the class or anything to do with the content. So I hope this video is helpful. As always, if you have any question, please feel free to write to me. Thank you.